Hello, hello, welcome back. Those that are new, I say like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. So today's video is about, of course, the E90 and my MTech bumper that we got put on here. We got it sprayed and all of that. So right now we're gonna continue the video.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the live, come live, yes sir. Ay, me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes. Blue Lion, big mania. Ay, what them fool they talking about? Minding them power, all about. Titans I go beat them, lightning strike and kill them. My thing them charge up, my thing them charge up. My thing them charge up. My thing them charge up. Thing them charge. My money pile up. My gun them tall up. My thing them charge up. My thing them charge. Thing them charge. My thing charge. And book will be turn over like GPS bill where you cross over. We step out and everything get run over. Come charge like bull when we do road. Titans power.
Alright, so see, what's it called? PVC holes or whatever? The sensor name?
Huh?
Never mind. Alright, since the bumper comes with the backup sensors, we have to cancel them out. So you can cover the hole up, put some epoxy and stuff in there. So you remember this guy from the M4 front bumper fixing up the headlights. Now he's gonna do some magic for the for the rear bumper here.
Alright. I'll try it to. I thought I had Gorilla Glue, but I don't. I mean, Gorilla here would have been better. Fiberglass.
I got him texting, sir. How long it takes to dry?
Like a half an hour. Get a good solid dry.
Oh, should have told you that from day to do that then.
Huh?
Should have told you that to do that from the day.
I didn't know what you were doing. I didn't know why you bought the one with the holes.
So, I don't know if you guys remember him from the M4 bumper install. Before we was in the street. We're still in the street, but we're in front of the shop now. So, progress is getting better. Soon we'll be inside the shop. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna put in the description where the shop is, so you can contact him to do your body work. But most likely when you come, he's gonna treat you good and put you in the shop. For some reason, he put me out in the street. But it's alright, the work still get done.
Body work, auto sales, and repair.
Hold on, say it again.
Do body work, mechanic work, and I sell cars. So body work and painting. For those who don't understand.
Alright, so
What the hell I do? Oh.
I'm gonna put a clip up and show it on the business card and everything, so that way you guys can contact me or contact him directly. I said contact me so I can put money on top of it and thing, and then get a little extra change. But yeah, man. out here working.
Use the hole is then pulling.
Go. Hold on. There you go. Alright guys, don't worry about the painting part. We just fitting up the bumper because this one right here is sold to somebody. But being that I wasn't doing the work yet, we just want to take it off from now. I'm gonna come back, drop off the car. We're gonna spray up this, fix the quarter panel, and whatever little scratches and stuff, we're gonna sort out that. And when he's done, put a nice polish and clean and what is it, salmonize and all that good.
You said sodomize?
No. Hear this guy? Give it a nice polish and rub down so when I get it back, it's glistening and glowing.
Okay.
No, that seems simple enough just to tighten up them screws. Yes, that's a Honda giving you burbles and pops.
Dude,
So this is the regular diffuser. But in me, I'm gonna do something different. My diffuser is gonna have the 2 outlets on the end for the dual exhaust, and also the sensor might have the light for brake light or park light. I'm not sure how we're gonna hook that up, but that's the setup we're thinking about right now. So the man pull out the right one right there now.
what's this?
Okay. I'll wrap that for the people. That's what we gotta string that up somehow, but yeah.
I'll send you to Davis. Let Davis do that shit. At Lance on Laconia.
Laconia, alright.
And Boston Road.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask New Kid to deal with it, but if you know somebody that can do it, go on.
That's my electric. That's my car electrician.
Alright.
So if you can do it, then fine. Okay. See, I should have, had I remembered that we had this other diffuser, I'd have put it on the bumper before I put the bumper on. Because now I got to figure out a way to run this wire so that the next person that's going to hook it up is easier for them to get to when I have to go through the whole process. So it's sitting somewhere neat where they could just attach it to the harness. Because we consider other people when we're working. I might have to pull this shit back off though.
Alright, so this is the other diffuser. It's gonna be up for sale. It's in the bag and thing, but it's basically simple factory diffuser. 1 outlet for the 228. Sorry about the 235 guys. I can't help you. Upside down. That's under, no. The centerpiece goes under the bumper there.
This?
Yeah, doesn't it?
No.
Oh, alright. Clip, see. Oh, it slides it. Oh, there's space for it to slide into.
right now it's not looking like it's gonna work, buddy. Not gonna work. It's not gonna work, you know. This is too short.
Oh, I see what you're saying there.
See where? Alright, I got this at the edge.
And that
Alright, so let me move this side to the edge.
I see what you're saying. I see it. Yeah.
So
I guess we just gotta throw on this one for now.
yeah. So you're gonna have to figure that one out, buddy.
Figure it out.
Hit them up like, yo, this shit don't fit.
Alright, so we're gonna put this on until we kind of figure out what's going on with the next one, or get a replacement. And that one lined up, so
Should have gave it a better lineup.
alright. Alright, so I'm gonna close this video soon. This reminds me of last time. It was daylight when we started. Now this time again.
Because he don't
The
know
sun
to
is
buy
going
his
on.
parts properly.
So the sun is going down again.
I gotta always configure something because he don't buy his parts properly.
But the end result, you know, we're happy. Minus the diffuser. Well, we're gonna figure out what's going on with that. Maybe it's for E92 or just can't fit. They probably didn't make it right. We'll see what's going on.
And do remember, it's all about July 30, Tipsy, Queens, New York.
Yeah.
Reach out to
I'll put a
find
link
out
to
the
that.
address.
I'll put a link to that as well. You can check out his Instagram. That's the plug for Say.
Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Hollywood. I don't even know. Hollywood underscore. I don't even know my Instagram. Honestly, he'll put the link.
Honestly,
in.
I'll put the link down there. But if you go on Instagram and put Hollywood Auto Sports, I mean Auto Sales and Repair, it will pop up.
Or One Hollywood, and it's HOLLIEWOOD. One Hollywood and Hollywood Auto Sales and Repair.
Alright, there you go. So, we got a little body work done because the quarter panel right here was hit, but it was nothing major. We got taken care of, you can see, looking clean and nice. Oh yeah, the wheels, we'll get back on that. So now this is the MTech bumper here. You see it? You see it? Look at that, look at that. No diffuser right now. I'm working on that. It came with a regular plain old diffuser, but I want to do something different. So what I'm doing with the diffuser, it came with a little regular plain one. Probably the next video I'm going to show you that I'm customizing it. I'm adding the, I guess what they call it, the rain light or the third brake light, rear light with the lower one. So there's gonna be a light down there, similar to like what you see on the Subarus and the F1 race cars. Yeah, so when I press the brake, it blinks, then comes solid. There's something different that you don't see every E90. I have tried to like order a diffuser that actually came with that already. I went to the trials. I ordered one, it did not fit good. Ordered another one, did not fit good. Tried a different company, but looked like everybody's sourcing from the same person, but selling it under different names because they all pretty much look the same, but fit like crap. I will put some clips in on little pictures of when I tried to install those and it just never worked out. Even tried cutting them to make them work, was just horrible. So I figured the diffuser that I have that came with the bumper, I know that fits. Better I customize and modify and put the light on that and make it work. So yeah, so words for that. Now we're gonna talk about what I did to my wheels. bomb give a nice gold color here. Yeah, so you know, I had the hyper black one before, same wheel, the ESRs, and I was kind of tired of driving around with them all scraped up, so I said I was gonna refresh them. Most places were not able, well, I only went to one place, and be truthful, and they weren't able to match that color. So I said, you know, let me do something different. But when I first got the car, I had gold wheels on them, so I said, yo, the silver and gold combination is not bad. It's different. You don't see that every day, so I'm not here to be like everybody else every day. So there we go. Actually, when I do my brake calipers over, you're looking at kind of, you can hardly see the red in there. Kind of old, it's kind of chippy. But yeah, other than that, it's just looking alright. I like that. Go on the side. No, it's not bad. So that's basically what today's video is about. So all I want you to do is just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Even if you don't like me, tell your friend, make them make their choice if they like me or not. Yo, stay up.